Hello, this is Christy with Editor Creations, and today I'm going to show you how you can take an image and then get prompts from that image and then use those prompts to create even more images in that similar theme right here inside of Midjourney. So it's pretty exciting and very simple to do, but I'm going to show you right now how to do that. We're going to click here, slash, and then you're going to see different options. Normally we do the imagine, but here we want to do describe because that is going to write a prompt based on your image. And then we're going to upload our image. I'm going to find the one. There we go. That's the one I want to do. It's a nice butterfly picture. And then press enter. You might have to press enter twice. And then it's going to start thinking. And then here we go. It has created 4 different prompts that will give us images that are in this style. So that's pretty awesome, right? So sometimes the hardest part of getting an image that we want is getting the prompt right. And this here is, it helps to reverse it. So you already have a picture of what you like, and then it's just using the process here in the server to give you what you're looking for. So we're going to try a couple of these and see how they come out. So I'm going to try number 1. Say yes. I'm going to try number 3. You don't have to do all of them. I'm just doing a few here just to see what kind of results I get. But you could actually just copy all these prompts and then put them in a separate sheet. So let's see what we get. All right, so it has processed those, and look at how beautiful they came out. And as you can see, they're not exactly the same, but they are in that same style. They have the same colors. They have the same look to them. So let's do a close-up of a few of these. I can do 1. And then here, look at these as well. These are really nice deep colors, right? I'm going to 1, and just to give you an idea of how they come out. So look how beautiful that came out. So then you can get a closer look at it. And then if you like it, you can open it up, right click, and save that image. So you can really have fun with this, and it just comes up with some beautiful options and variations here. So I really love this one. So I would open that. I definitely want to save that one. So that's how it works. You basically go into Midjourney, you have a picture that you already like and the style of, but maybe you want some variations of it, and you want to get some more. Maybe you're creating a theme, a bundle, a product where you want to have different versions of that same image. So that's how it works. And I hope you enjoy this video and have fun with that. And be sure to like and share this video, and I'll see you next time.